How to fix an audio renderer error when streaming YouTube on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would fix an audio renderer error in Windows 10. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Clear browser cache. 3. Replug sound device. 4. Close all audio mixing programs, such as Mixcraft. 5. Re-enable sound devices. 6. Roll back audio drivers. 7. Update audio drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Update web browser. 9. Update Windows. 10. Run Audio Troubleshooter.
僕を信じて。